Okay, Al, fast challenge.
¿Cómo estás?
If you can show me what do you have on your phone wallpaper?
Sí, clar. Ara tinc aquí un recibiment del València Futbol, en el qual estava, crec que era semifinals de Copa del Rei de fa un parell de temporades.
So my first wallpaper are my children from Christmas.
On this one, I have just God, not luck. I'm a big believer in, everything happens because of God. It's not just luck, it's God and hard work.
Oh, they are your dogs?
Yes, this is my dogs. Heira and Maya.
Y aquí dins tinc una foto amb la nòvia.
Una foto con mi perro, la verdad, ¿por qué? No sé.
¿Cómo se llama?
Salimos los dos lindos. Johnny se llama.
And then on this one, I have me and my dog actually here. A beautiful picture of us.
It was a photo from this last summer when I was in Los Angeles, and it just looks over the whole city of LA. And then I have a quote that says, "Give everything to God and just do your best. As long as you try your best and give everything to God, everything will be okay."
And the next one, a picture of me and my wife. Family is the most important thing in my life. Always love seeing their faces and having the motivation and of knowing what I live for, what I play basketball for, and